From the evening of the 5th of August to the morning of the 6th of August, Russian forces struck with cruise and hypersonic missiles, as well as shahed kamikaze drones. Ukraine's defense forces coped with the drones, but the missiles all failed to be shot down. As part of the first wave, Ukraine's Air Defence Forces shot down 12 of 14 Kalibr sea-based cruise missiles. Russia also launched 3 Ha-47 M2 hypersonic missiles, but the Ukrainian Air Force did not comment on information about their effectiveness. On the night of the 6th of August, 5 of the 6 Kalibr missiles and all 27 shahed drones were destroyed. In addition, Russian Tu-95 MS bombers launched 20 strategic cruise missiles, Ha-101 and Ha-555. Of which the Ukrainian Defence Forces managed to shoot down 13 units. Thus, in a few hours, Russia fired 70 missiles and drones at Ukraine. The air defense shot down 57 air threats, excluding the hypersonic missiles Ha-47 M2. The effectiveness of Ukrainian air defense was about 85%.